Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to make a charcuterie board you can enjoy with a loved one or by yourself. Let's get started. I was at Trader Joe's recently and found pink oranges, which I had never seen, so I thought I'd give these a try. Now I did think that they would be a little more pink, but I can still see the pink in here. I think these would be great for Valentine's Day. I'm going to slice these in half, and then I'm going to cut it into a blood orange, which I just happen to have. I think it would look great if we did pink and red. I love when I get my blood oranges with that deep red color, just like this one here. Now, I did notice that I had a lighter one at the end, but that's okay. As long as I get a few deep red ones, I'll be fine. I'm thinking about placing each one the opposite way, and then just go with the flow. The nice thing about charcuterie boards is that you can pretty much get creative with whatever you have in your fridge and pantry. Just pull out some stuff and see what you can come up with. I love using salami in these, and I love getting the trio pack because you get 3 different types. I'm going to show you how to make 2 different types of roses. For this rose, I'm going to use the peppered salami, and I've got a total of 5 salamis here. Once you have them laid out overlapping each other, you're going to fold it and then start rolling. You want to roll from the side. Now put a toothpick in the center to hold it all together. For this next rose, I'm going to be using a small glass. The bigger the glass, the more salami you're going to have to use. For this one, I don't like to use the peppered salami. I just use one of the other ones. And you want to place a salami on each side and then place one in between. You can do as many layers as you want. I'm using a total of 8 salamis here, but it will depend on the size of your glass. Now, if you make your rose and it falls apart, most likely you need more salamis. Once you're done, flip your glass over, press down a little bit, and remove your glass, and you're left with a beautiful rose. After making a couple of each, I'm going to start laying some of my cheese in here. Here is a Tennessee whiskey cheese I found at Trader Joe's. It's actually quite strong. I'm also going to cut up a little bit of Brie and lay it on the other side. Next, I'm going to go in with some prosciutto. Now, typically, I like to fold these into a ribbon-like form. This one is a little broken. Sometimes when you separate them, they do break, and so you can't do very much with them, but just do the best you can. When you do them into a ribbon form, if you like, you can also kind of spread out the end into a fan-like look. I don't have a whole lot of room to play around with them, so I'm just going to lay a few on here. Let's add a little bit of color with some berries. I've got blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Nuts are always great. Today I'm going to use some roasted almonds. I'm going to add a few crackers. There's so many different types of crackers, guys. Just use whatever you have. I'm going to add a few sweetheart candies I happen to have here to see what they look like. I think I want to add a few more berries. Gotta have a few grapes. A little more prosciutto. If you've never had it, it's an Italian ham. It's a little salty. When you have a small board, you can also layer and add more on top. Today I won't be doing that, but I have definitely done that several times. I'm not feeling the sweetheart candy too much with this, so I think I'm going to remove this one spot here. Maybe I'll add a couple over on this side. Honey on Brie tastes delicious. I usually put it in a little bowl, but when I don't have a lot of room, I just drizzle it on top. I have some miniature Hershey's left from the Valentine's Day bouquet that I made, and if you haven't seen that, please be sure and check it out on my channel. I think this is the perfect size for that one little spot there. These are a lot easier to make than you think, guys, and they're so much fun. You can even make a charcuterie board for Valentine's Day. Skip the flowers. Here it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and share with friends. Thanks for your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.